Good morning people, goeiedag mense. Dit is nou is ek daarom beter. Bietjie verder weg. Kan nie die lelike gesig soveel sien nie. You can't see the ugly face so much. Okay. There is the house. And this is a little stream still flowing on the 7th of June, the Sunday morning. That's about what should it be? 11ish, 11 se kant. Ja, ek dink dit is omtrent 11 se kant. Okay, let's go to the direction. Ons gaan aan die ander kant toe. Nou, eers die optrek boontoe, so. Nou, die reën het begin op die 2de Dinsdag aand 10:00. Dit het Tuesday night, the 2nd of June. It started at 10 o'clock in the night, the rain. Okay, so this is still flowing a little bit on the Sunday, the 7th of June. Klein bietjie water still going on. It's the stream flowing down our kloof from the culvert. That's now in front of the house, between the house and the and my workshop over there. Okay, so zoom into the workshop. That's what you see there. Okay, and this is a pump we use to pump from the river in a cage, otherwise I'd steal the stuff off of it. So, and that's it. Some of you know this motor by the previous videos a long time ago. Lang gelede 'n video gemaak van deze motor. Alright. Now we go down to the land over the road. Now, there is the house and there is the mountain. And I walked from there down this road. Now, and that's the embankment up there, going up there where the cars go. And that's the road down to the Ice River Bridge and the cutting through to the Gamka Bridge that's there. The water flows down there from Ice River and meets up with the Gamka like so, the T-joint. Alright, then hier onder was water, alles hier. Net 'n klein stukkie bo was nie water, and just a little piece at the top, no water, but the rest of it was completely underwater. From there down here, there was water right across, almost halfway up the bridge there. Amper halfpad die brug op. Daar so. So nou gaan ons hier af, going down here, over crossing the new R62 to the old, this is the old R62, and we're going to meet up with the R62 on the other side, and then we go down to the Maersk container, apples and pears or whatever, oranges, lemons, whatever. Okay, then we go down to the where, it's about here, on this side, direction, to the right. Goed. Lamps are on the left hand side here. I filmed a few seconds ago. Now we're going down this road as I said. Soos ek gesê het, we gaan reg uit die weg af. Nothing on the right. Vehicles, I mean, no vehicles on the right. Okay, they've closed the gate. So I have to walk from here. Ek moet nou stap van hier, ek must walk from here. If I'm right with my dates still, as ek nog met my datums nog reg is. Net daai stukkie was uitgesteek, only the one piece sticking out there, and that was all water. Down there, all water. And that's a cutting I'm talking about. And this land was also only water. And all water along there. Water along there. All over was water. Okay, now we can walk down from there through that gate and to the weir, measuring weir down there. So ek gaan nou afstap daar na die weir toe. So dit was op die vierde Junie. Nee, 5de Junie. 5de Junie, ekskuus. 5de Junie dan was het goed, en so stap daar af. From here you only see a little bit of water. Last time you could see the whole lot over there, standing here. Om hier te staan kon jy alles water sien daar. Okay, let's walk down there. Standing here on the old R62, the water was there. Die water het daar oorgekom. En die land aan die linkerkant is nou groen. That was all orange, yellow with water. Alles geel en oranje met water. Nou is it groen. Now it's green. Let's walk down here to the weir. There's only one house left, as you've seen in the last video. What is it? Video number 7 or video number 8? Number 8, I think. Right, it's windy now. When the flood was at its highest, I should have gone up this hill here and took a video from the top there. And I didn't do that, so that's bad news. Goed, ons gaan nou hier af. We walk down here. And here are the stones or rocks. There's a klippe waar die rotse of klippe, wat ook al, waar die water gewees het. Daar was die water hier en daar. Hier. And the water was here. There. And it was all water, higher than the car. All along up there. It came in from the top there. First from the bottom, over that embankment there. Die wal daar, die terras, wat ook al daar, die wal, en is nou weg die wal. Daar is nou daai stukkie daar, and that little piece there, left, it's all gone now. Level, and a lot of sand washed up here. So that's making it level now. Okay, let's go closer. And that's 2,000 water height. Now, apparently, I reckon we were in a hostel in 1981 at school in Oudtshoorn, so we didn't see the high water mark of the 1981 flood when Lensburg also washed away. So ons het nie 1981 se vloed eintlik gesien nie, want ons was in die koshuis in Oudtshoorn. So want dit was die grootste vloed. sover ek hulle se reken. Die cubic meters of water was much more than 2,000 flood or any of these other floods ever. That was the highest amount of figure ever registered. Die hoogste syfer van kubieke meters ooit wat hier afgekom het. Right, kom ons kyk gou daaronder. Na die storie daar, wat die hoogte nou is, what's the height of the water now? From yesterday 4 o'clock afternoon, the 6th of June to the 7th this morning, 11:30. Okay. So yesterday 1 o'clock yesterday afternoon, that was on the 6th, Saturday the 6th of Juni, afternoon, Juni, I was here. The 4.5 meter mark, one house gone, one left. And the water went right down to there. There you can see the little bit of water there. And that's about the same height as there. And let's go here. Now the pump I showed you stood there. And then we connect the pipe. Oh my, what is going on here? We have to fix this. Otherwise we can't ride here with the tractor to bring the pump down to the river again. Nou kan nie, die pump weer by die rivier kry met daai gat daar. Now the tap must be somewhere here. Hier ergens in die kraan wees wat ons connect aan die pipe. So water tap must be somewhere here, buried under this mud now, to connect to the pump, which would stand there, or must stand there. Okay, so the third flood, the water came along here, and the fourth flood, it was way up. So let's see, let's walk on the mud, and sinking into the mud, sak aan die modder weg. Nou hier 3 meter, 2 meter, 2, let's see, 2, 3, 5 plus minus 0.35. It's less than 2.4 there. It's 4 sticking up. It's not submerged. So it's 3.5 meter now above the measuring wall, and that is the measuring wall there. That is a meetwal. So a measuring wall. Oops, sorry for the shaking. A meetwal is here. Right. And the water is still flowing over the wall on the other side. Die water vloei nog oor die ander kant van die muur daarso. There is also a concrete wall, but it's lower than this one here. So the water is no longer flowing way out to the mountain there. It's now quite lower, but still a lot of water nog steeds heel veel water hier. Dan sê ek tot ziens van die video. Dan sê ek bye-bye from this video. The Gomka River in flood. Gomka River hier in vloed. Dan sê ek tot ziens. Thank you for subscribing. Dankie dat julle na die video gekyk het. Vir die subscripsie ook, dankie. Tot 'n volgende video. Tot ziens. Bye. Now back up the embankment there to the car that's parked there at the road. By dan terug na die auto toe, daar wat nou geparkeer is daarbo by die groen bos agter daar. Goed. So it's now completely down. Only water in the land here. Nou heeltemal af. Die Gomka rivier hier by die brug. Is nou heeltemal net water in die land. En hier loop nou niks. Nothing is flowing over here. It's quite a distance from where I'm walking. The water was right up to here. There. So it's from here right down back there. Okay. And it was touching the bridge there. Het het my brug geraak daar. Hello. And on the other side you can still see the debris. Come down. There. Quite high up. And I check the river flow now. Still a lot of water. Nog steeds 'n klomp water. There you can see the height on the mountain there. The water level on the mountain. The old bridge was down there, as you can see there. a little bit of it left. The rest of the bridge is gone. That disappeared in 1981 flood. Somebody walking down there. Another person there. Nog iemand daar. A neighbor. Our neighbor and his what you call it, the sheep herd, die skaapherder. Reg. Dan gaan hy terug na die auto daar en dan gaan ons dorp toe kan.